Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Can you all switch on to your videos, please? Morning, Musa.
Ma'am, it is showing on my screen that my internet connection is unstable, so I can't switch on my video.
Okay, no problem. Good morning. It's very cold, no?
Yes, ma'am.
How much is in Pune? How many degrees in Pune, Bilal?
Ma'am,
I think, ma'am, wait a second. I'll see on the screen.
What?
ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
morning.
19 degrees, ma'am. 19 degrees, ma'am.
Now, same Mumbai also, I think 19 degree only. Same.
You have not wear a sweater also.
Inda is covering your head also. Inda is feeling cold, Inda. Yes,
Ma'am,
Inda.
I have fever.
Fever?
I have fever.
Oh my God, you took medicine, bacha? Take medicine properly. Okay, so now you all must have seen that your timetable is given for the exam. Did you all see the timetable, all of you?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What? No, Bilal, it is given, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Hamza, switch on to your
I
video.
know, but I only saw the holiday part.
Which holiday? What
We have
holiday?
got 2 months holiday after, March, April. Yes.
March, April, holiday? Who said?
After, ma'am, do you know that we have got holidays for Ramzan and then we have got 1 month holiday also after Ramzan?
That is after the final exam. We are talking about this exam. Bilal, you're in which world now?
Sorry.
Good morning, Ujjao. Okay, Bilal? Yeah,
Yes.
we are talking about this exam. Okay. Now I'm sharing the screen. 1 minute.
I
Give us
finished my
that.
entire maths notebook, so my mother got me a new notebook.
Khatija has got a new book. We got the information. Yes? Okay, we'll do revision. We have nothing else to do. We cannot start a new lesson because we have exam from next week. All right. Now you
Ma'am,
all
you
know.
have given a revision of Maori catches the sun.
I already gave, na?
No, ma'am. You told we will do test.
First, I'll do little grammar. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. First, I'll do little grammar. Let me see if you all are okay with it. All right. Can somebody, all of you write the answers? Whoever is ready
Okay,
with
ma'am.
this will give me the answer.
Ma'am,
Quickly.
ma'am, wait.
Write in alphabetical order. Quickly. Come on. Whoever knows the answer, completed, please let me know.
I like the maths very much because when I solve the numbers, it feels like I'm doing a game. So it's fun at the same time, and I'm also learning.
Who has completed?
I have not completed, ma'am.
Please do quickly. Let me see who is first.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. All of you switch on to your videos, huh, beta? Who has joined now? Nida? Yes, Nida has
Yes.
joined. Okay, beta, write this in alphabetical order.
Khadija, give me eraser. No. Yes, sir.
Just one second.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Who has joined? Madhya, beta?
Yes.
Beta, just start doing this alphabetical order. Arrange in
Good
alphabetical.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Who joined now? Ikra.
Yes.
Okay, beta. Start doing this alphabetical order in your English book.
बुक लेके आओ तेरी बुक पेंसिल रबर
1 minute, huh? I just want to see if all of you are there online. Bilal, why your video? You have a problem over there?
I'm trying to on it. No, I'm clicking the
Musa,
video.
Zoheb, Mariam, are you better now, beta? Mariam, are you
Yes,
feeling
ma'am.
better now, beta?
Yes.
Yes, your fever is gone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you switch on to your video?
I have no fever.
Everybody is getting fever, beta. So please take care and take proper medicine.
I'm doing revision of the maths textbook and I enjoyed it a lot.
Okay, start, beta. Whoever is completed, please tell me, beta.
एक मिनट में तो तेरे ड्रॉर में चेंज कर लूंगा।
All right, completed. Can we discuss the answer now?
No, ma'am.
Shall I stop sharing? Write quickly, beta. Come on.
the missing number to solve.
Just
Yeah.
8 words, beta. So much time you all are taking.
To solve the numbers.
Anybody has completed? Hina, Bilal.
No, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, ma'am.
Come on, it's so easy.
Ma'am, can we discuss?
Now stop. Can I stop sharing and can we start doing?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. According to ABCD, which will be the first one?
B, ma'am.
So blanket first. Write the first
Mm.
one, blanket.
That blanket.
Very good. Second is boots.
Second one is chili.
No, boots. Again, B will come, beta.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
How? A, B, C, na? B order. A, B. B is second. Again, B is there. How no? How Bilal no?
Ma'am, because you said that if one ma'am word has the same letter, na ma'am, so we
Ah.
can choose the third letter.
Matlab, what third letter? But according to A, B, C, D, B for blanket is first, BL, and then BO is second, boots. Third, what is the third one, Hinda?
Yes,
Go
sir.
to C. Now C, there are two, cold
Ma'am,
and
chili.
chill. So which will come first?
Chili, chili.
Chill,
Chill,
yes,
chill,
chill.
chill.
CH will come first. And then COLD, fourth one. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Four.
After chilled and cold,
Gloves.
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 Yes, gloves. Then January. Yes, then January. And then there are two S, shiver and scarf. So which will come?
Scarf, ma'am. Scarf.
Scarf. And then last one is shiver.
Shiver.
Last one is shiver.
क्योंकि
Yes.
C पहले आती है ना उसके बाद second letter.
Okay. Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now
No,
I
ma'am.
understood this. Now one more I'm
Yes,
sharing.
ma'am.
One more I'm sharing. One minute, huh?
Okay.
Okay.
This is so small.
Now it is big enough.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, start in ABCD order. First see A alphabet which is there. A and then second one. A, B, N, M, N, O, P. Now
April.
don't say the answers, do your work. G, Ju, Cha, Chi. Okay, completed.
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It is confusing, no?
Yes, ma'am. I am in 5-1.
Okay, come on. I know it is confusing, but it will help you how to arrange in order and you will learn. Completed, bacha?
No, ma'am. I am next one. Ma'am, I am writing down.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Who has completed? Sarah? Can I stop the sharing? Can we discuss? Okay. Anybody who wants to say the first one?
बोलो सारा
April, annoy, hope,
April.
joker, laugh, prank, surprise, trick.
Ma'am,
I've only done 8 words. now.
Bilal, wait. Why so fast, Bilal? First
ma'am,
one
can I
is
say?
what?
Ma'am, to say. Ma'am, it's
What?
annoying. Then full
First one is what?
April.
First, according to A, B, C, D, what comes first?
And second one.
फर्स्ट जाना है फर्स्ट जाना है
Annoy. First is
Annoy.
annoy. Second is April.
हम्म,
Third one is what?
बोलो
Fool.
Yes, fool. Fourth one,
बॉक्स
hoax.
बोलो
Box.
Yes. Fifth one,
Joke.
joke. Very good. Sixth one, laugh.
Laugh.
Seventh
Laugh.
is prank. Prank.
Silly. Surprise.
After
Prank.
laugh is prank. Then silly. Then surprise. And the last one is trick.
Surprise.
Is that clear?
Ma'am,
Yes,
the last one is tricks, right?
Trick. Yes. Last one is trick, beta. Okay. Completed all of you? Which
Yes,
lesson
ma'am.
test did I tell you all?
Maori catches the sun.
Maui catches the sun.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Page number, which page number? Page
Ma'am, page number 92.
92. Okay. Give meanings. Frustrating.
Ma'am, Mihina.
Yes.
making you feel annoyed or less confident because you cannot achieve what you want.
Very good. Okay. Is this statement true or false? Tell me if this
Okay, ma'am.
statement is true or false. Whoever knows it, listen quietly. Maui was fishing from the shore.
False.
True.
False. Yes.
False.
Okay. Next. The village elder thinks Maui is wise.
True.
True.
True. Okay.
True.
Okay. Give one word for. Mute yourselves. Mute yourselves. Give one word for. A person who comments on the action of a play.
Narrator.
Very good, Hina. Hina has studied everything, corner of the book. Very good girl. Next. Give one word for something that is surprising because it is so much bigger than usual.
Whopper. Whopper.
Whopper. Very good. Very good. Next. A small, light, narrow boat pointed at both ends and moved using a paddle.
Canoe.
Canoe.
Canoe. Very good.
Canoe. Canoe. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now answer the following questions. According to the village elder, who can help them?
Maui.
Yes. Only Maui
Maui,
can help them because he has achieved great things.
Many great things that seem
that have seemed
impossible.
impossible. Very good. Okay. Fill in the blanks. The days are 2 dash and the nights are 2 dash.
The days are too short. The days are
Too short
and the night
and the nights are too long.
Okay, very good. What were the ropes made of?
Flax.
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 Yes, very good. Okay. Now I will tell the student's name. That student will answer. Hinda,
Okay, ma'am.
first question. Why does the village elder think Maui will be able to help?
Ma'am, because she has achieved, like, nobody can do that thing she has achieved.
He.
Yes, because he was. Tell me the answer.
Yes.
Achieve many great things. Maui has achieved many great things that seem impossible. Yes?
ध्यान दो टीचर का आंसर दे।
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
next
right.
question. Sayyad. Maui says he had a big bite when he was fishing. What do you think this means?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Ma'am, can I tell, Hina?
Yes, Hina.
Ma'am, Mauri says he had a big bite when he was fishing means he caught something huge while fishing.
Fishing. Very good. Very good.
Yes.
Next question. Next question, Madiha. Do you think that the fish that Maui nearly caught was as big as she showed with his arms? Okay. Explain your answer.
बड़ा था वो।
Was the fish so big? इतनी big हो सकती है fish? Exaggerating, no?
Maui was exaggerating a
Yes.
lot.
He was exaggerating as it was a big lie. It was
When
a
he
big
said that,
lie.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Lie.
Give the meanings of flax.
A plant from which
A
linen is
plant
made.
from which linen made.
Linen is
Linen
made.
is
Linen
made.
is made.
Yes, linen is made.
Okay. Give the meanings of achieved. Give the meaning of achieved.
To
Successfully finish or
something you
you
wanted
wanted
to
to
do,
do
especially
after
after
a
a
lot
lot
of
of
effort.
effort.
Very good. Very good.
अरे
Okay. Now again I'm sharing the screen. We'll do 1 or 2 grammar topics. Okay. Again. So you are all prepared for the exam? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Oh, na?
Ma'am, we have not done the test of speech marks.
That is okay, beta. I already done that in revision, no? Okay.
Okay.
Everything has not to be done spoon feeding. Certain things you all should try to do on your own. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Everything teacher cannot give all the time, no? Certain things you all must do on your own. Yes, ma'am. Yes. 1 second, huh? Okay, can you all see this?
Ma'am.
Okay, oh sorry, I've just opened it here. I need to share it with you. 1 minute. Fill with is, am, are. The first one. We will discuss and do it.
Okay,
Please
ma'am.
no shouting. One by one, you all get the
Irregular
answer.
verbs.
First one.
Irregular verbs.
Yes. First one, Madiha. There's some noise. Please check. There is some noise.
No, I can't hear you.
Yeah, there is some noise. Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
First one, Madiha. The shops dash open today. Am, is or are.
The shop is open.
No, let's read properly. The shops.
Ma'am, me. The
No, wait
shop
1 minute.
are open today.
Yes. Second one, Sarah.
He is.
He is a good student. Very good. Third one, Hina.
Yes, ma'am. The girl dash playing in the playground.
Where can I
The
say
girls are playing in the playground.
Next one, Hinda.
I am reading a book.
Very good. Next one, Bilal.
The jacket is on the chair.
Is on the chair. Very good. Musa, are you there? Musa,
Yes, ma'am.
try the sixth one. Peter and I.
Peter and I are cousins.
Very good. Next one, Arhan. Seventh one,
Ma'am.
it. This one, it. It dash sunny.
Oh, it is sunny.
Very good. Hamza is there? Hamza?
भर गया मेरे को तो
Can you try this? To dash watching TV.
पूरा मतलब
Hamza?
you are. Ma'am, you are.
Okay. Next is Ikra.
Yes, ma'am.
We dash listening to the radio.
Yes, ma'am.
We dash listening to the radio.
We are listening to the radio.
Nida, are you there, beta? Nida?
Yes, ma'am.
My trainers dash dirty.
Is dirty.
My trainers, S. So you have to write are, beta. Are dirty.
Are
Tina, Tina, try the next one. He dash my grandfather.
He dash my grandfather. He is my grandfather.
Zoheb, are you there? Zoheb, Mohammad Zoheb.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you try this one? The sofa dash very comfortable.
Sofa is very comfortable.
Sayyad, are you there?
I will say after Sayyid. Yes, ma'am.
Sayyad, can you try this? I dash very happy today.
I am very happy.
All right. Next one.
Okay.
Mariam, can you
Yeah,
try
yeah.
this? Olga dash my sister.
Olga is my sister.
Very good. And the last one.
Ma'am,
will
Hinda,
try?
can I do that?
Yes, Hinda, do the last one.
They are at school.
Okay. So any doubts now? Can I take
No.
test of prefix and suffixes?
Yes,
Oral?
ma'am.
Oral?
Yes.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am, only that?
Okay, yes. Now I'm taking oral. Oral only, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Just give me a minute. Can you add a suffix to hope? Hope.
Hopeful.
Very
Hopeful.
good.
Hopeful. Hopeful.
Next.
Hopeful.
Taste. Taste.
Tasteless.
Faceless.
Faceless.
Okay.
काय के लिए चिल्ला रहा है देख लो.
Faithful.
1 minute. I'm giving you the word.
तू क्या के लिए डरता है?
Please mute your calls. Mute your calls. Okay. Care. Care.
तू ऐसे नीचे जा, जल्दी जा.
Careless.
Okay. Careful. Okay. Careful. Careless.
मैं को लेके
Okay.
जाना.
Anida, mute your call. Nida.
क्या हुआ?
Okay. Next one. Enjoy. Enjoy.
I'm enjoying.
Enjoying.
Enjoyable.
No.
Enjoyable.
Enjoyment.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Okay. Next one. Spoon. Spoon.
Spoonful.
Spoonful.
Very good. Okay. Paint.
Painful.
Painting. Painting. Paint. 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 Painting.
I thought you were saying paint.
No, I said paint, beta.
Ma'am, ing is in continuous tense, ma'am.
Yes.
10, 11, 12. So I just have to add 4.
Now I'm giving you prefixes. Okay. Prefix. I'm asking you prefix. S-E-N-S-E, sense.
Senseless.
No,
You have
this is
to add
suffix.
before. Prefix. Nonsense.
Oh, yeah.
Nonsense. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is like.
Dislike.
Dislike.
Okay. Dislike. Very good. Head.
Headphone.
Headphone.
No.
Head.
Non-head.
Who said? Somebody said something.
And is it non-head?
Forehead.
Oh, yeah, ma'am.
F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D. Forehead. Okay. Ordinary.
Extraordinary.
Extraordinary. Yes.
Yes. Very good.
Charging.
Annual.
Ma'am,
What is
Annual.
This-
Annual. A-N-N-U-A-L. Annual.
Pre-annual.
Biannual.
नहीं नहीं
Okay. Social.
Ma'am, I got to drink water.
Antisocial, antisocial.
Antisocial. Very good.
And yeah,
Kind.
Ma'am, I
Kind.
got to go to water.
Yes,
And
go,
they-
Rita. Don't ask me. Go
Kind.
quickly.
Diskind.
Kind.
Unkind.
Unkind. Yes.
Unkind.
Ma'am, in that.
Complete.
Incomplete.
Incomplete. Incomplete. Yes.
Now synonyms.
Ma'am, wait.
Tell me the synonym for beautiful.
Nice. Good. Sorry. Good.
Okay.
Good.
All right.
Pleasant.
Huge.
Ma'am,
Big.
Big. Vast. Okay. Synonym for near.
Close.
Close. Okay. Synonym for easy.
Simple.
Simple. Okay. Synonym for alike.
Same.
Same. Very good.
Same.
Okay. Synonym for select.
Choose.
Choose.
Okay. Choose, not chosen. Synonym for last.
Big.
Huge.
Least.
Huge.
Ma'am, least.
Last is end, no? The end of it, last. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Synonym for quick.
Fast. Ma'am,
Yes.
my phone has only 2% charging.
Anyway, the class is going to end in 2-3 minutes. Okay.
Yeah, Appu.
Next, synonym for tired.
Exhausted.
Exhausted.
Okay, exhausted, sleepy. All right. Synonym for start.
Begin.
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 Good.
Yes, begin.
All right. So now we have completed the revision also. All right. Next class also. You all know your exams or no?
Yes, ma'am. 18th.
Yes. You all know your exams. When are your exams?
18.
18 up
minute.
to 21.
I will just tell you all. 18 Jan is English. 19 Jan is life skills. 28th Jan, you all don't have any exams. 21st, you all have
Regular
public
classes.
speaking. Public speaking. Okay. Now listen to me. Life skills, I will explain in the life skill class what exam you have.
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes.
And public speaking, I'll also tell you what you have to do in public speaking. Is that clear? Understood?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you? Yes. Bye,
What,
ma'am.
beta?
No, ma'am. Nothing.
Okay, now
You will
on
give tomorrow.
coming, matlab on Thursday, I'll give you a mixed test of all the lessons, question and answers. Okay? Oral.
Ma'am, oral.
Oral. All the lessons I'll ask you question and answers, meanings. Okay? So be prepared for it. All right. Bye, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Take care, beta. Take care,
You
all of
also
you.
take care.
Those who are sick,
Bye.
yes, you all also have a nice day. And those who are sick, please take proper medicine and rest. Bye, beta. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.